How to back up Viber messages. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up Viber messages. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Viber application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the three dots or the more icon. Simply tap on it, and in this page here, you'll need to locate the settings option. Once you locate it, tap on it, and inside it here, you'll need to look for the option account. Tap on account, and now here you'll be able to find the option Viber backup. Now simply select this Viber backup option, and you will reach to this page. Now here, you will need to tap on the checkbox at the right side of the photos and videos, whichever you would like to include in this backup, and then tap on this backup now button at the right button below to save your chats to Google Drive. Now you will need to wait until your chat gets backed up. You'll also need to ensure that you are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network when performing this backup, especially if there are larger data sets. So by following these steps, you can ensure that your Viber messages are safely backed up and can be restored when needed. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.